Happy morning, students. Today we are going to see exercise 6.3 problem number 1. From the top of a rock 50√3 meter high, the angle of depression of a car on the ground is observed to be 30 degree. Find the distance of the car from the rock. So imagine this is a rock. A man is standing at the top of the rock, that is 50√3 meter height. Then there is a car. So mark the point, the top of the rock as A. Then the angle of depression of the man to the car is angle 30 degree. Then join the line from the rock to the car, that angle is 30 degree. We doesn't know the distance between the car and the rock. So you have to find the distance of the car from the rock. So let it be x meter. Then name the points as A, B, C. Therefore, BC is equal to distance of the car from the rock, which is equal to x meter, and AB is equal to height of the rock, which is equal to 50√3 meters, and angle ACB is equal to 30 degree. So in a triangle ABC, tan theta is equal to opposite by adjacent, which is implies tan 30 degree is equal to opposite side is AB divided by the adjacent side is BC. You know tan 30 degree value is 1 by √3, which is equal to AB is 50√3 divided by x. So the next step is cross multiplication. So you get x is equal to 50√3 into √3. So √3 into √3 is 3. Therefore x is equal to 50 into 3, which is implies the value of x is equal to 150 meter. Therefore the distance of the car from the rock is equal to 150 meter. Problem number 2. The horizontal distance between the two buildings is 70 meter. The angle of depression of the top of the first building when seen from the top of the second building is 45 degree. If the height of the second building is 120 meter, find the height of the first building. So already we see a model problem like this in your example, that is example 6.27. So same model problem. Here you have the first building and you have the second building. Then the distance between the two buildings is 70 meter. The angle of depression of the top of the first building when see the top of the second building is angle 45 degree. Then join the line from the top of the second building to the first building. So let it the angle be 45 degree. Then you have to know the height of the second building is 120 meter. We doesn't know the height of the first building, so let it be x. Then if the height of the second building is 120, then the remaining part is 120 minus x. Then name the points A, B, C, D and E. So from A to E you have 120 minus x. Let the height of the first building is equal to CD is equal to EB equal to x meter. Then the height of the second building is equal to AB equal to 120 meter. The distance between the two buildings is equal to BD is equal to EC, which is equal to 70 meter. Therefore angle ACE is equal to 45 degree. So in a triangle AEC, tan theta is equal to opposite by adjacent. So tan 45 degree is equal to opposite side is AE divided by the adjacent side is EC, which is implies tan 45 degree is 1. AE is nothing but AB minus EB divided by EC. Therefore tan 45 degree is 1, which is equal to the value of AB is 120 minus the value of EB is x divided by EC is 70. So which is implies 70 is equal to 120 minus x. So x is equal to 120 minus 70. The value of x is equal to 50. That is, the height of the first building is equal to 50 meter. Problem number 3. From the top of the tower 60 meter height, the angle of depression of the top and the bottom of a vertical lamp post are observed to be 38 degree and 60 degree respectively. Find the height of the lamp post. So root 3 is equal to 1.732. So this is the tower. The height of the tower is 60 meter and there is one lamp post. Join the top of the tower to the top of the lamp post. That angle is 38 degree. Then the top of the tower to the bottom of the lamp post, that angle is 60 degree. Then the distance between the tower and the lamp post we doesn't know, so let it be x. Then you have to find the height of the lamp post, so that also we doesn't know, which is equal to y meter. Let height of the tower is equal to AB, which is equal to 60 meter. Then height of the lamp post, which is equal to DC, is equal to EB, is equal to y meters. Then distance of the lamp post from the tower is equal to BC, is equal to D equal to x meters. Therefore angle ACB is equal to 60 degree and angle ADE is equal to 38 degree. So in a triangle ACB, tan theta is equal to opposite by adjacent. So tan 60 degree is equal to AB by BC, which is implies tan 60 degree is root 3, which is equal to AB is 60 divided by BC is x, which is implies x is equal to 60 divided by root 3 into root 3 by root 3. Therefore the value of x is equal to 60 root 3 by 3. So 3 and 60 gets cancelled. You get x is equal to 20 root 3. That is your equation number 1. Then in a triangle ADE, tan theta is equal to opposite by adjacent. So tan 38 degree is equal to AE by ED. Tan 38 degree is 0.7813, which is equal to 60 minus y by x. Therefore x is equal to 60 minus y divided by 0.7813. which is your equation number 2. So from 1 and 2, 20 root 3 is equal to 60 minus y by 0.7813, which is implies 20 root 3 into 0.7813 is equal to 60 minus y. 20 into root 3 value is 1.732 into 0.7813, which is equal to 60 minus y, which is implies 34.64 into 0.7813, which is equal to 60 minus y. You get 27.06 is equal to 60 minus y, which is implies y is equal to 60 minus 27.06. So you get the value of y is equal to 32.94 meter. Therefore, height of the lamp post is equal to 32.94 meter. Problem number 4. An aeroplane at an altitude of 1800 meter. Find that two boats are sailing towards it in the same direction. The angle of depressions of the boats as observed from the aeroplane are 60 degree and 30 degree respectively. Find the distance between the two boats. Root 3 value is 1.732. So there is an aeroplane from the sea level. The height is 1800 meter. There is one boat and another boat. The angle of depression from the aeroplane to the first boat is 60 degree. Then the angle of depression from the aeroplane to the second boat is 30 degree. You have to find the distance between the two boats. So mark the points as A, B, C, D. The distance between the two boats is x and the distance between BC is y. So the distance from B to D is x plus y. Let distance between the boat CD is equal to x and height of the plane from the ground AB is equal to 1800 meter. So distance between BC is equal to y, angle ACB is equal to 60 degree and angle ADB is equal to 30 degree. So first we are taking the triangle ACB. Tan theta is equal to opposite by adjacent. Tan 60 degree is equal to AB by BC, which is implies tan 60 degree is root 3, which is equal to AB is 1800 divided by BC value is y. Therefore y is equal to 1800 by root 3. Y is equal to 1800 by root 3 into root 3 by root 3, which is equal to y is equal to 1800 root 3 by 3. So 3 and 1800 gets cancelled. You get 600. Therefore y is equal to 600 root 3, which is your equation number 1. Next we are choosing the another triangle. So in a triangle ADB, tan theta is equal to opposite by adjacent. That is tan 30 degree is equal to AB divided by BD, which is implies tan 30 value is 1 by root 3, which is equal to 1800 divided by y plus x, which is implies y plus x is equal to 1800 into root 3. This is your equation number 2. So from equation 1 and 2, 600 root 3 plus x. From 1 you know the value of y is 600 root 3. So 600 root 3 plus x is equal to 1800 into root 3, which is implies x is equal to 1800 root 3 minus 600 root 3, which is equal to 1200 root 3. So x is equal to 1200 into root 3 value is 1.732, which is equal to the value of x is 2078.4 meter. Therefore the distance between the two boats is equal to 2078.4 meter. Problem number 5. From the top of a lighthouse, the angle of depression of the two ships on the opposite sides of it are observed to be 30 degree and 60 degree. If the height of the lighthouse is h meters and the line joining the ships passes through the foot of the lighthouse, show that the distance between the ships is 4h divided by root 3 meter. So the height of the lighthouse is h. Then there is one ship on the one side of the lighthouse. Then join the top of the lighthouse to the ship. That angle of depression is 60 degree. Then there is another one ship on the opposite side of the lighthouse. Then join the line from the top of the lighthouse to the second ship. That angle of depression is 30 degree. Then mark the points as A, B, C and D. We doesn't know the distance between the lighthouse to the first ship, so let it be x, and the distance between the lighthouse to the second ship is y. So the distance between the two ships is x plus y. Height of the lighthouse is equal to AD is equal to h meter, and distance between B and D, that is BD, is equal to y meter, and distance between D and C is DC is equal to x meter. To prove distance between the two ships is x plus y is equal to 4h by root 3 meter. So in a triangle ABD, angle ABD is equal to 30 degree. So tan theta is equal to opposite by adjacent. Tan 30 degree is equal to opposite side is AD divided by the adjacent side is BD. Which is implies tan 30 is 1 by root 3, which is equal to AD is h divided by BD is x. Then the next step is cross multiplication. Therefore you get x is equal to h root 3 meter, which is your equation number 1. Then in a triangle ACD, angle ACH is equal to 60 degree, that is tan theta is equal to opposite by adjacent. So tan 60 degree is equal to AD by CD, which is implies tan 60 degree is root 3, which is equal to AD is h by y, which is implies y is equal to h by root 3, which is your equation number 2. So adding equation 1 and 2, we get x plus y is equal to h root 3 plus h divided by root 3, which is equal to h root 3 into root 3 plus h divided by root 3. So root 3 into root 3 is 3, which is equal to 3h or h into 3 plus h divided by root 3, which is equal to 3h by h is equal to divided by root 3. Therefore we get x plus y is equal to 4h by root 3. That only we have to prove. Therefore the distance between the two ships is equal to, that is x plus y is equal to 4h by root 3 meter. Problem number 6. A lift in a building of height 90 feet with transparent glass walls is descending from the top of the building. At the top of the building, the angle of depression to the fountain in the garden is 60 degree. 2 minutes later, the angle of depression reduced to 30 degree. If the fountain is 30 root 3 feet from the entrance to the lift, find the speed of the lift which is descending. ஸோ என்னென்னா ஒரு லிஃப்ட் வந்து கீழே இறங்கிட்டே போகிறது. அந்த லிஃப்டோட ஃபீட் பார்த்திங்கன்னா 90 ஃபீட். அது ஃபுல்லாக கிளாஸ் வால்ஸ் இருக்குது. ஸோ அந்த கார்டனில் ஒரு ஃபவுண்டைன் இருக்குது. ஸோ லிஃப்ட் ஸ்டார்டிங்கில் இருக்கும்போது அந்த ஃபவுண்டைனை பார்க்கும்போது நம்மளோட ஆங்கிள் ஆஃப் டிப்ரெஷன் 60 டிகிரி. ஸோ 2 minutes லேட்டர் லிஃப்ட் கொஞ்சம் கீழே இறங்கியிருக்கும்போது திரும்பி நம்ம பார்த்தோம்னா அதோட ஆங்கிள் ஆஃப் டிப்ரெஷன் பார்த்திங்கன்னா 30 டிகிரி. ஸோ அந்த ஃபவுண்டைனுக்கும் என்ட்ரன்ஸுக்கு, அந்த லிஃப்டில் இருக்கிற என்ட்ரன்ஸுக்கும் distance பார்த்தீங்கன்னா 30 root 3 feet. So height of the lift be AB and there is a fountain in the garden. Then join the line from the lift to the garden, that is C. So the angle of depression of the fountain to the lift, top of the lift is 60 degree. So after few minutes the lift moves to the point P. That angle of depression from the point P to the fountain C is 30 degree. So the AP is x and PB is 90 minus x. Then join the line BC. The distance between the lift to the fountain is 30 root 3 feet. Let C is the position of the fountain and P is the position of the lift after 2 minutes. Height of the lift is equal to AB is equal to 90 feet and distance between A and P, that is AP is equal to x feet. Distance between the fountain and the lift is BC is equal to 30 root 3 feet. Distance between P and B is PB, which is equal to 90 minus x feet. Time taken to reach the position A to P is 2 minutes. So in a triangle PBC, angle PCB is equal to 30 degree. So tan theta is equal to opposite by adjacent. Tan 30 degree is equal to PP divided by BC. Therefore 1 by root 3 is equal to 90 minus x divided by 30 root 3. So root 3 gets cancelled in the denominator, which is implies 1 is equal to 90 minus x divided by 30. So the next step is cross multiplication. 30 is equal to 90 minus x, which is implies x is equal to 90 minus 30. Therefore the value of x is equal to 60. That is the distance between A and P, that is AP is equal to 60 feet. Therefore speed of the lift is equal to distance moved by time taken, which is equal to 60 by time taken is 2 minutes. So which is equal to 30 feet per minute. So speed of the lift is equal to 30 feet per minute. So up to this problem, exercise 6.3 is over. Thank you students. Have a nice day. After this, the next topic is problem involving angle of elevation and depression too. So I hope you all are understand the concept of angle of depression. See the videos 2 to 3 times for better understanding. Thank you students. Have a nice day.